good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
My son. Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. But if you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button down below, as we are on the journey to gain 10,000 subscribers this year. So by you hitting the subscribe button, you know, you'll help us gain another subscriber, which moves us that much more closer to our goal. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, before we get into anything, if you're brand new to the channel and you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, all you got to do is hit the notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. Now, jumping right into today's video, man, we got a banger. As for a detailed review and whatnot, that'll be in tomorrow's video, so make sure you stay tuned. Like I said in the beginning of the video, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get the buyer's information from this video or from the tomorrow's video, just do me a favor, hit me up on Instagram and I'll give you the information and you can go and purchase this shoe if you find it buyable, by all means. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into today's video. All right, guys, so we are talking about the Air Jordan 4 Nike SB. The collaboration they did just a few, well, not even a few weeks, just with, this was just last week. Seems so old already, honestly. It's crazy the way sneakers go, you know what I mean? This seems like old news, and it literally just dropped last week. But from the title of the video and the thumbnail, you know what's happening in this video. We're going to be taking a look at a UA, and we're going to be checking out the, the differences, the comparison. All right, so we got the package, let's unbox it. Some scissors, slice this thing open. Now, these folks hit me up on Instagram, asking if I would, promote the sneakers that they make. And honestly, I said I would. I'm not gonna promote them, but I'll make a video for you comparing, this, obviously this shoe to the retail pair. And if folks want to come and buy yours and not pay these resellers, by all means, you know what I'm saying. But no way am I trying to, proceed for anyone to think that I am trying to scam somebody or let people try to scam them. No, the only way you get that buyer's information is if you DM me personally on Instagram, and if I feel you trying to do some shady, I'm just not gonna give it to you, you know what I mean? And trust me, I'll do my research. I'm not just gonna give it to any mo, you know what I mean? Because that's one thing I do not condone. I do not condone buying UAs and selling them to these kids for retail, because that's rule number one, bro. If you want to buy the UA and rock it yourself or give it as a gift, but you're not buying it to resell it, because that's not what we're doing over here. I'm not playing. I don't play. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know if you guys ever seen me get upset, but yeah, nah. But like I said, tomorrow is going to be a detailed review, so make sure you stay tuned. We're going to compare the box, we're going to compare the shoes, the insole, we're going to compare the whole shebang we're going to check out. But right now we're just going to, unbox these, and I got to say, man, these things are looking good. But right away I can tell the difference between the box, because this one seems smaller, but we are opening the box right now. Maybe it's just the lighting, but Jesus. I mean, wow. But anyway, guys, here you have it, the Air Jordan 4 SB. But this is a UA. Don't get it twisted. Wow. Wow. I'm just going to give you guys a quick look. quick look. Obviously there is some differences, but just get a quick peek. Now maybe even tomorrow I'll give you an on foot of both two. I already did this one. If you haven't seen the video on this shoe that I did the review on, just click the link at the top of the screen. Make sure you bring your behind back here to finish up this video, because this is getting interesting. This is getting interesting, man. But guys, I just got in from work. I got doctor's appointment tomorrow, so I'll hit you guys with that video tomorrow. I promise you. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys stopping in and checking me out. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.